Today, decision science, decision making all start with the interplay between human and artificial intelligence. It's growing, it's going to be prevalent. We need to understand exactly what is going to be the role of artificial intelligence in our modern decision-making world. If you think about it, if we step back a little bit, decision-making for the longest time has always been pretty straightforward. We always had some kind of analytics, some kind of data gathering, data processing, and final decision-making on top of this data that was guiding our decisions. But recently, we started to realize that this straightforward path between humans and decisions can actually take a little detour that goes through precisely what we call artificial intelligence. Intelligence is, in some sense, very important for decision making, but it's not by definition what decision making is. Making decisions is based on many factors, like we're going to see later in the course. It's based on intelligent factors, emotional factors, practical factors. But essentially, we cannot help but notice that in some way, artificial intelligence, it's finding its way through, let's say, our straightforward decision-making process. And the kind of like what we call artificial intelligence, which is just the automation of neural network weights on top of data, has found its way in two very distinguishable ways in our modern life. This is what I'm going to call augmentation, essentially training artificial intelligence agents to be able to, let's say, replace or completely substitute or augment the decision-making that we used to do. And then finally, interaction, which is going to be a slightly more nuanced, slightly less straightforward usage of artificial intelligence. It's going to be a more complementary approach to decision-making.